So guys, MGNF as the name stands for Mahatma Gandhi National Fellowship 2021-2023. This is being organized by Ministry of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship with IIM Bangalore and 9 more participating IIMs. Right, so we'll talk in detail about each one of them. So, so we'll talk about the program, what the program is all about, the benefits for you, why you should opt for it, and why you should try for it, and also talk about the eligibility at test pattern dates and how will the program will be rolled out by IIMs along with the Ministry of Skill Development. Okay, guys. So we'll talk about each of these 4 points about the program, benefits for you, why you should go for it, and the program rollout. Okay. So the applications for 2021 fellowship program is being open now, and this will remain open till March 27, 2021. So you need to go to the IIM Bangalore website to apply for this fellowship program. This is not a fellowship. This is basically a certificate program by IIM Bangalore. So you need to go for that, and you need to apply for the on the website of IIM Bangalore itself. तो आपको IIM Bangalore की ही website पे ही जाकर apply करना पड़ेगा, and then you will go through a 2-year program which will be done in 660 districts all across the India, and through different 9 IIMs. Right, we'll talk about the 9 IIMs also, which all 9 IIMs are going to participate in this, and what will be the eligibility dates and everything. Okay, so you can see this MGNF program, Ministry of Skill Development, ये organize करा रहा है along with IIM Bangalore, and this is the first version of MGNF program, fellowship program. Right. So let's talk in detail about it. So MGNF is it's a certificate program. Minded guys, this is not a PGP from IIM. So this is not a PGP program. This is not a postgraduate program. This is a certificate program in policy management and public policy and management that will be given to you after the completion of the 2-year program. So once you will complete the 2-year program, this is the certificate that you will get. Right, this will be designed, as I already told you, MSDE, that is Ministry of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship, and along with the state skill development departments also. And this will be rolled out in 660 districts all across India. This will be hosted by 9 IIMs. I am Ahmedabad, I am Bangalore, I am Jammu, Kozhikode, Lucknow, Nagpur, Ranchi, Udaipur, Vishakhapatnam. Right, separately with I am Bangalore. I am Bangalore is the IIM which is going to conduct the test process for this particular program. Okay, guys, let's move to the next one. So, upon successful completion, you will get the fellows, as I told you, in the certificate of policy and management. The duration is of 2 years. The eligibility is the bachelor's degree. This is the basic eligibility criteria. We'll talk about the more criteria also, but this is the basic eligibility criteria. So anyone who is a graduate will be able to apply for this. The available number of seats are 660, and this will be rolled out in 660 districts also. So that means you are going to work with the district management throughout this program. So you work with the district management, because if you have seen the last slide carefully, there were 660 districts in which this plan will be rolled out, and there are 660 seats also. Okay. So what is in it for you? So what are the benefits? Why you should opt for it? So this fellowship is a unique opportunity to promote skill development in district economies. That's why. The second is this is the program by IIMs, and the mentorship that you will get in the IIMs will be of world class. Third thing is that it provides you an opportunity to engage the schemes and institutions of the government at the district level, and strengthen the institutions and improve skill development, link markets, and create growth for the district people. So this is all about the rural management. So if you are the one who's interested in taking care of the rural things and how to connect the city economies, the district economies, then this is the right course. This is almost the same course, almost in parallel to the course which is run by IRMA. If you have heard about IRMA's MBA program or PGP program, this is almost in line with that. So though it's not a PGP program, but its value in market will be almost equivalent to the MBA program of IRMA or any of the rural management colleges. Okay, guys. So candidates selected from 21-23 admission cycle will be fully funded by MSD. This is what the key benefit for you here is. And on joining the program in the year one, you will get a stipend of 50,000 per month. In the second year, the stipend will increase to 60,000 per month during the year two. So in this particular program, there's no fees that you're going to pay. You will be benefited and you will be paid 50,000 for the first 12 months and 60,000 for the second 12 months. So, what are the program requirements? We'll talk about eligibility now. What are the key eligibility things? One is that your age should be in between 21 to 30, citizen of India, and any graduate in engineering, law, medicine, social sciences, and any other stream is the guy can apply to this from any recognized university in India. 3 years of work experience that they're looking for. This is the add-on experience that they're looking at, but this is not the mandatory experience because individuals with no work experience and a strong motivation to work in the rural area can also apply. And ability to express proficiency in the official language of the state, since there are 660 districts involved in this. So 660 districts will be across India. So they will be of different languages. So now you need to be keen and good at the languages of the district and of the state in which you will be placed. So you need to take care of that, guys. Okay. So you need to apply and you need to be good with the mother language of that particular state and the territory. Just a minute, guys. So let's move to the exam pattern. What is there in the exam pattern? It will be 100 marks examination. Just a minute, guys. The examination is going to be of 100 marks. The multiple choice questions. The topics on which these questions will be asked are general awareness, quants, DI, logical reasoning, verbal ability, reading comprehension. So paper is almost, it's not going to be as difficult as CAT, but the paper pattern is almost in line with the CAT examination. And this will be conducted in the third week of April 2021. So candidates who qualify in the written test will be called for a personal interview. This is how it's going to roll out, the admission process and the selection criteria. So now these are the dates, important dates. What are the important dates? Registration will open on 13th Feb. So this notification is already there in the newspaper, all the newspapers. And the registration will close on 27th March. Admit card will be released on first week of April. Test date is third week of April. That will be announced on the portal of IIM Bangalore. Result will be declared in the last week of April and then followed by personal interview in second to fourth week of May 2021. Okay, guys. Right. So now how to apply? You need to, the application window for 20 is now open. You can go to IIM Bangalore website, or you can also, in case of any help that you require, you can mail at this mail ID helpdesk at .mgnf@gmail.com. Okay, guys. So now how this program is going to roll out. This is the key important thing over here. So now if you look carefully, there will be an on-campus orientation. First thing that will happen after being selected into this particular prestigious course. Then there will be a 10 days on-campus academic module. So they will teach you within the campus, one of the IIMs out of the 9 IIMs. Then there will be 108 days practical 108 days district immersion program. So you will get the practical knowledge about the district administration. Then the on-campus district indicator workshop. Then again a 10 days on-campus academic module 2. Then followed by 108 days of district immersion. Then again an on-campus market and economy workshop. So it's a practical oriented approach. So there will be a lot of practical and real life knowledge that you will earn out of this course. So if you talk about the campus studies, there's a 110 day, there's another 10 day, 20 days, and the third 10 days, fourth 10 day. And then if you talk about, so there's only 40 days learning program, live learning program. The rest is all skill based. So after the second 10 days, third 10 days of on-campus academic module, you will be going again through an on-campus status of livelihood workshop, then 108 days of district immersion, then 120 days of district immersion 5, and 16 days they can change you across different districts also. On-campus learning workshop, and then the award of the certificate. That's how this program is going to roll out, guys. This is all on the website of IIM Bangalore. You can go and check it out yourself also. Just a minute, guys. So this is the structure, guys. Last slide. MGNF program structure. This module consists of, so if you talk about this session proportion, management methods and public policy, 35%, your marks will be. So with each academic module containing 10 working days, the entire duration is 40 classroom days only. So MGNF will rely on classroom teaching, projects, case discussions, and classic and closed book examinations. Public policy and economic development, the proportion of the total marks will be 17%. That will be reflected in your certificate. Soft skills to negotiate public administration, the credit goes 31%. Skills and livelihoods goes to 18%. So this is all about decided by the IIMs. So guys, that's it for today. Thank you.